Welcome back to Car Flair. If you've ever imagined combining the spacious comfort of a motorhome with Toyota's legendary engineering, your dream is now a reality. Meet the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus, a bold leap into the world of luxury travel with room to stretch out, settle in, and explore with confidence. Built on a full-size Toyota bus platform, this camper bus is designed for those who want space, stability, and sophistication. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful yet efficient hybrid engine that delivers smooth highway cruising and strong torque for long journeys. Whether you're traveling through cities or camping off-grid, the performance is refined and quiet, making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Step inside, and the space immediately impresses. Unlike traditional camper vans or trucks, the Toyota Motorhome Bus offers a full walk-through layout with multiple zones. There's a dedicated bedroom in the rear with a queen-size bed and overhead storage, a central living area with a fold-out sofa and dining space, and a fully equipped kitchen featuring a 2-burner stove, microwave, refrigerator, and deep sink. You also get a full-sized bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. No compromises here. Toyota has put a major focus on comfort and technology. You get climate control zones, an entertainment system with a large smart TV, integrated speakers, ambient lighting, and even voice-activated controls for lighting and temperature. A solar energy system powers the onboard electronics, and the battery bank is large enough to keep everything running during off-grid stays. There's also the option for Starlink satellite internet, turning this camper bus into a mobile office or entertainment hub. Despite its size, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Bus is surprisingly easy to handle. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make driving feel intuitive and safe. Toyota has also included air suspension for a smoother ride, and leveling jacks make setting up camp a breeze. For families, remote workers, or long-haul travelers who need space without giving up efficiency or reliability, this camper bus delivers. With Toyota's reputation for quality and a design that blends function with luxury, the 2026 Motorhome Camper Bus stands out in a growing market of mobile living. Thanks for tuning in to Car Flair. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the most exciting motorhomes and camper innovations hitting the road.